Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, Real Nester, and we thank you for visiting us on our Thomas channel, where we do reviews and box opening. Make some comments down below. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, and what y'all think we should review. As always, we're gonna have a link for these products down in the comments. Click on them links and support us. Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. I am Crystal Real Nester. And that handsome gentleman right there is James Real Nester.
Yes, sir.
And today, yes, ladies and gentlemen, today, if y'all check back a couple of videos, y'all seen I did an Amazon unboxing. And today we are installing our black shower caddy. And yes, we got these from Amazon. It was 4 pieces for about 18 bucks. Check the link down in the description if you want yours. But until then, let's get into this video.
All right, you guys, as you can see, we these are little caddies that you put in the shower. So if you got like a lot of shampoo, soap, body wash, all that kind of little neat stuff, this helps you organize it right inside your shower. They come with a little screw where you screw these in, and these are real tight, sticky, hard sticky, and you put it in the shower. So basically it's going to go up in the shower like this. You can organize it however you want, and you can, so you can do an array of different combinations. It comes with 2 of them, but I'm gonna just show you now first what you want to do is first it comes with the little sticky pad that has a screw. You can also, if you don't want to put them in the shower, you can put them on the wall, like in your bathroom, if you want to put them by your sink. But if you're using the shower, make sure you use the ones with the sticky back. So you just bring this screw through here, and then you have a little screw here, and they also provide you with a little screwdriver right there. So as I get myself together here, this is real tricky too. So as you get started here with this, the little screwdriver they provide, you want to just tighten that down first. And once you get that tight, you're all set. And then once you get your positioning, you just go here and you just peel off the little sticky. No, I'm just sure. And then, so that's basic. And then, so basically you get it set up like that and try to get it as level as you can. So we're going to put this up first. This is easy. I don't have to go through any of this. Let's show you how to put this up. We're going to come over here to the actual, we're going to come over here to the bathroom. See, right now, this is we have a walk-in shower. A standalone shower, I guess you'd call it. So we're going to place, here's the shower, here's that. You can place it right here if you like. I just don't like it because everything's going to get wet. But we're going to put it about right here on the shower. That's good for you guys?
Amen.
Is that good? So let's go.
Oh, we ain't wiped the surface. Hold on one sec, guys.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the little backing off like so. Bam. You know how we get down with it. Pull the little backing off. So now we're going to put the final placement. That looks about right back. Right, that's good? Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do, let's go there. And then what you want to do, make sure you come around. Get the bottom.
Put some pressure on it.
Yeah. The bottom on that. Bottom on that. And now, where's the screwdriver? I initially set it up, but I'm going to make sure that this is now tight. 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 Don't over tighten it. And we good. So basically, look, I just put this up, guys. Literally just put this up. Now watch this. I just put it up. It's already tight. So now we can have, that there, If you guys like me, you can have, that's another little secret. Apple cider vinegar, you can have that right there, just like that. Look how much weight is already on there. But I'm gonna let it sit for a little while. So just to show you can hold that much weight. But wait a little while, until it's been on there for a while. Don't run the water yet. Give it about a couple of hours so it can like settle down. But it can definitely support the weight, but don't.
You forgot the soap dishes, honey.
Huh?
Soap dishes.
Oh yeah. Next, we're gonna put up the soap dish.
Well, I know for a fact that our oldest daughter has these, and she has about 10 bottles on each one, and I'm not exaggerating. She got all her shampoo. Instead of storing them in separate places, she stored them right there in the shower on those. So he's over there working hard. I guess I should show y'all that.
These should hold pretty good because these two pretty much cover that whole area right there. Right there. So make sure I'm straight. Yeah. There we go. So these two are ready to go. Now where you want to place these, little baby? So we got that rack up. Put
You want me to bring the other one so you can do the measurement?
No, we just put them
Remember,
down.
it's gonna be 2.
Yeah, but you want them caddy corner?
Yeah,
or?
yeah, we can do that.
So
Little offset.
One up here.
Yep.
And then one down there. So
Yeah, that.
because you know you short, so yours gotta be down a little lower than mine. Put this down a little lower. I think I smell the glue. That's a kind of special glue. And this is gonna be the soap dish. Boom, boom, just like that. Soap dish. Alright you guys, that's pretty much it. I ain't gonna go through and make this video longer than it has to do. So basically we're just gonna put another, actually we're gonna save this one. We're gonna put the other soap dish up and then that's gonna be it. Hey, we will put the link in the description so you guys can get that, organize that bathroom. There's nothing worse than a junky bathroom. You bumping your head, you're falling down, all of this stuff. Come on now. This is a good video for you guys. Like and subscribe. We're gonna see you on the next one. Peace.